Hello everyone, welcome to the IchimokuCharts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Thursday, July the 9th. Well, another indecisive trading day today, and we can see that this is another one of those spinning top candles where we have a fairly long shadow on the top and the bottom of the body and a very small body. The body was green, which is what we'd like to see in a first time frame uptrend, and it means that the bulls have made some net gain on the day from the open to the close. Unfortunately though, the net gain that they've made is not ideal. It's very small, and what we prefer to see is for the bulls closing towards the extreme in a first time frame uptrend, or the bears closing towards the opposite extreme in a first time frame downtrend. This candle has a long shadow on the top, which means downside price rejection, and that coincides with the downside price rejection that we saw in the previous candle, and a small amount of upside price rejection too. So very, very indecisive trading. Now, as we suspected yesterday, there was a chance that this market could retrace back up towards the neckline, and it's attempted to rally back up there, and that's the neckline of the complex head and shoulders pattern that we identified, and this is the attempt to rally back up there. So the high of the current candle becomes very important for this market. It could continue to rally back up to around this region, but we could see a sell-off again, so we need to watch the low of the current candle as well. So just going back to the trend in the first time frame, we now have a higher high and a higher low, which means that the trend is up. We've had a change of trend, which is what we expected could have happened. There was a very strong chance that it could have happened, and it confirms the reversal pattern of the spinning top, which itself was an indecisive candle yesterday. So that's been confirmed with the high of the current candle being taken out. So not the sort of rally that we'd like to see on in a new first time frame uptrend on a very indecisive candle. It means that there's a lot of doubt about this first time frame uptrend continuing, which makes it even more important for us to watch the low of the current candle. Now, if we look at where we're trading within the cloud again, so it's a little wonder that we've got all of this indecisive trading within the cloud, and we know that the cloud can act as an area of support or resistance, and we also know that when we're trading within the cloud that the market is neutral. So trading above the cloud is positive or bullish, trading below the cloud is negative or bearish, trading within the cloud is neutral, and to Ichimoku chartists it means that the market is in a trendless area. Whether it means that to me or not, I'm not so sure. I think that we just need to treat that as neutral, and we need to be very careful of any of the signals that we may be taking if we're trading within that cloud. Now, looking at our other indicators, our Tenkan Sen and our Kijun Sen, the Tenkan Sen is still below the Kijun Sen, which means that the market is bearish, and we know that we have this second time frame downtrend, but they're both pointing sideways now, which reflects this small amount of congestion, very little upside gain for this market, not trying to retrace this swing here quite vigorously enough, and it reflects in what the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen are telling us. Now, the market is trading down below both of these as well, which means that the market's bearish, and we identified this strong area of support from the previous swing lows of the descending triangle as an area of support, and the market is holding up there again. So the market failed to close down there again. It tried to trade down to that area, and the low of the current candle was right on that area today, and the market's been rejected to the upside. So important for us to watch the high of the current candle and the low. If the low of the current candle is taken out, then there's all likelihood that we'll be trading down towards the bottom of the Kumo within the next few days.